Math 5, Quarter 4. Describe prisms and pyramids using their vertices, faces, and/or edges. Differentiate prisms and pyramids using their vertices, faces, and/or edges. Illustrate the nets of prisms and pyramids, and describe the nets of prisms and pyramids. Day 1 and 2. Short review. Activity. Who am I? Descriptions of solid figures will be given, then identify what figure is being described. I have 6 faces, 2 at the top and bottom and 4 at the lateral faces. I have 3 pairs of identical faces. What am I? Rectangular prism. I have a circular or oval base with an apex or vertex. I have one curved side and I look like a rotated triangle. What am I? Cone. I have flat base, a flat top, and one curved side. My bases are always congruent and parallel. Both my base and top are either circular or oval. What am I? Cylinder. I have a polygon base that is connected by triangular faces to my apex or vertex. What am I? Pyramid. I have 6 faces, each with 4 edges and is a square. I have 12 edges and 8 vertices, or corner points, where 3 edges meet. What am I? Cube. I have one surface and no edges or vertices or corners. All points on my surface are the same distance from my center. What am I? Sphere. A solid figure has 3 attributes, namely face, edge, and vertex. The flat or curved surface of a solid figure is its face. The line where 2 faces meet is its edge. The corner where the 3 faces meet is its vertex. Subtopic 1. Describing and differentiating prisms and pyramids using their vertices, faces, and/or edges. Activity. Prism or pyramid. Identify if the given figure is a prism or a pyramid. Then name it. Number 1. Answer. Prisms. It is a triangular prisms. Number 2. Answer. Pyramid. Square pyramid. Number 3. Answer. Pyramid. Triangular pyramid. Number 4. Answer. Prism. Hexagonal prism. Number 5. Answer. Prism. Cube. Number 6. Answer. Pyramid. Hexagonal pyramid. 7. Answer. Pyramid. Pentagonal pyramid. Number 8. Answer. Prism. Rectangular prism. Number 9. Answer. Prism. Pentagonal prism. What have you noticed about the faces of the prisms? Answer. The faces of both ends of a prism have the same size and shape. The remaining faces are parallelograms. What have you noticed about the faces of the pyramids? Answer: the faces of pyramid, except the bottom face, all join to a point at one end of the pyramid. Group activity: edges, faces, vertices of prisms, and pyramids. The class will be divided into 2 to 4 groups. Each group will be given a set of solid figures, prisms or pyramids, and asked to identify the number of faces, edges, and vertices of each figure. Group 1: Cube and rectangular prism. Group 2: Triangular prism, pentagonal prism, and hexagonal prism. Group 3: Triangular pyramid and square pyramid. Group 4: Pentagonal pyramid and hexagonal pyramid. Let's answer this. Number 1, cube. Rectangular prism, triangular prism, pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, triangular pyramid, square pyramid, pentagonal pyramid, hexagonal pyramid. Day 3. Subtopic 2. Illustrating and describing the nets of prisms and pyramids. Name the solid figures. Cube, rectangular prism, square pyramid. Carefully unfold the solid figures and lay them out flat. What do you observe? Draw the nets of the following figures. Triangular pyramid, hexagonal prism, hexagonal pyramid, pentagonal prism, pentagonal pyramid. Day 4. Name the given solid figures and identify the number of faces they have. Number 1. Name of solid figure. Triangular prism. Number of faces. 5. Number 2. Name of solid figure. Square pyramid. Number of faces. 5. Number 3. Pentagonal prism. 7. Number 4. Pentagonal pyramid. 6. Cube. 6. Letter B. Draw a net for each of the solid figures given in activity A. Use grid or graphing papers. Possible answers? Day 5. Name the shape of the given solid figures. Then determine the number of their faces, vertices, and edges. Number 1. Triangular prism. Number of faces, 5. Number of vertices, 6. Number of edges, 9. Cube. Number of faces, 6. Number of vertices, 8. Number of edges, 12. Number 3. Hexagonal pyramid. Number of faces, 7. Number of vertices, 7. Number of edges, 12. Next, pentagonal prism. Number of faces, 7. Number of vertices, 10. Number of edges, 15. Square pyramid. Number of faces, 5. Number of vertices, 5. Number of edges, 8. Letter B. Draw any two possible nets of the following solid figures. Use grid or graphing papers. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.